I'd like to discuss what a CPAP is, because CPAP is a great treatment option for sleep apnea. It's called continuous positive airway pressure. And what does it do? It comes with a mask, straps, there's a hose, and there's a machine. Now you can have different types of masks, so you really want to find a mask that fits you well. And so what does the CPAP do? You have an airway that you breathe out of. When you sleep, the tissues block it all the way through, and now you have apnea. What it does, it blows pressurized air hard enough to push the tissues out of the way to get you to breathe. That's what it does. And everyone's pressures are different. It just depends on your severity level of sleep apnea. So that's how a CPAP works.